the best of these companies recognize that reputation, credibility, trust that a company's worked so hard to build over years or decades are at great peril in one of these incidents. So communications and guardians of reputation need to have a seat at the table. The worst of these companies mistake these incidents for just, technical, as I said earlier, technical illegal events and kind of leave communication out. In terms of best practice, don't over communicate and put out half-baked information. As I said a few moments ago, don't under communicate. I think one big mistake companies make is to go Sphinx and try and let it blow over. One company in particular, technology company, comes to mind. Their own employees were tweeting that they'd had a ransomware attack. They hadn't got the memo that Arlene would have put out. Don't communicate with anyone, including on social media. But the company's official statement was, there's been no incident. So obviously a great, disparity there, and the company just took a pummeling as they should have for this inconsistent communication. And that's the last point I'd make. You've got multiple audiences in any one of these. An 8K may force the communication, may be the gating moment, but you've got to take care of your employees. You got to make sure that you're communicating consistently with them substantively, with your investors, with your customers. We had a ransomware victim come in just this past Friday, and they told us that they had disclosed to 3 or 4 of their customers that they'd had a cyber incident, but not the other 800. So now you've got an imbalance in the marketplace. Companies are going to start chattering. They could leak to the media. Employees start talking. So an inconsistency in communication is something to be avoided as well.